Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're learning about solving quadratic equations by completing the square.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. 9n squared plus 79 equals a negative 18n, and we need to solve this by completing the square. First step is I'm going to add an 18n to both sides and subtract a 79 to both sides. So I have a 9n squared. Now we have a positive 18n on the left, and that's equal to a negative 79 on the right. Now, when my a value here is greater than 1, I'm going to take that a value of 9 and divide all parts by 9. Well, the first part becomes an n squared. 18n divided by 9 is just a 2n. That's nice. And, well, negative 79 divided by 9, I just keep the same. Notice I left a space right here. We'll see why in a minute. My b value is 2, so I use my formula now. 1/2 times 2 squared. 1/2 times 2 is 1, and square that, and 1 squared is, well, 1. I take that 1 and I'm going to add it to both sides of the equation. The left-hand side now is a perfect square, and it is an n plus 1 all squared. The right-hand side will simplify, so negative 79 over 9 plus 1 is negative 70 over 9. We now take the square root of both sides, and we have an n plus 1 here equals, well, that's plus or minus, we take the square root, and we know we can take the square root of the numerator and denominator individually. Square root of 9, the denominator is just a 3, and the square root, well, of negative 70 is the same as the square root of negative 1 times the square root of 70. Keep going, we can subtract a 1 to both sides. We have n equals a negative 1 plus or minus here. Now the square root of negative 1 we know is I, so we have I square root of 70 over 3. Keep going, let's put it up here. I want to combine these into one fraction. So we have n equals, well, this negative 1 is a 3 over 3, so I can have it, let's say, as a negative 3 over 3 plus or minus I square root 70 over 3. We can combine that to be one big fraction of a negative 3 plus or minus I square root 70 all over 3. And so that's really our final answer here. We can write it individually, the plus or minus separately. So we negative 3 plus I square root 70 as one answer over 3. And the second answer would be negative 3 minus I square root 70 over 3. But those two are now our final answer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math.